Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching a video where we talked about the PB&J sandwich. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is PB&J short for peanut butter and juice? No. PB&J stands for peanut butter and jelly. Does the sandwich usually have cheese in it? No, it's made with peanut butter and jelly, not cheese. Is PB&J popular because it's expensive? No, it's popular because it's cheap, quick, and tasty. Did the PB&J sandwich become popular during World War II? Yes, soldiers combined their peanut butter, jelly, and bread rations. Is peanut butter a source of protein? Yes, it contains protein and healthy fats. Is jelly always made from strawberries? No, jelly can be made from grapes, strawberries, or many other fruits. Do people celebrate PB&J Day on April 2nd? Yes, there's a National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day on that date. Was peanut butter first served in schools? No, it was originally served in fancy restaurants as a health food. Do most Americans grow up eating PB&J sandwiches? Yes, it's a very common part of childhood in the U.S. Is making a PB&J sandwich difficult and time-consuming? No, it's very quick and easy to make. Make sure to watch this video more than once to strengthen what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next episode in this exciting journey of learning English and discovering American culture. See you in the next adventure.